It is written by famous American poet Douglas Malloy. Today we are going to learn a very interesting and inspirational poem. The poet asks the readers to know him.
Welcome back. Today onwards we are going to see a new poem on 8th standard, Be the Best. Be the Best is a poem written by a famous American poet Douglas Malloy. Douglas Malloy wrote many poems and his Be the Best poem is a world famous one. We can say this is an immortal poem. A very good thought came from this poem. So friends, let's see this poem.
Chapter 1. Be the Best. Welcome children in 8th standard. How do you feel being upgraded 1 class higher? Ma'am, we are very excited about it. So, are you ready for our first English session? Yes ma'am, let's start with the first lesson. The first lesson is a beautiful poem titled Be the Best. In the poem, the poet Douglas Malloy has shown us the importance of existence. He says, it doesn't matter how big or small you are. It is only important that you exist. So let's start with the poem. Be the best. If you can't be a pine on the top of the hill, be a scrub in the valley, but be the best little scrub by the side of the rill. Be a bush if you can't be a tree. In the above lines, the poet to tell us that if you can't be like a pine tree which is at the top of the hill, at least try to be a scrub in the valley. The scrub which is at its best by the stream side. If there are difficulties to be a tree, at least try to be a bush. Coming to the second stanza, the poet says, if you can't be a bush, be a bit of the grass. And some highway happier make if you are a muskie than just be a bass, but the liveliest bass in the lake. Here the poet says that if it is difficult being even a bush, try to be grass which grows on the highway. Make it happier, that is, make the highway pleasant. If you can't be a muskie, try to be a bass. But a bass which is liveliest in the lake, making everyone feel your presence. Ma'am, what is the meaning of muskie and bass? Muskie and bass are names of fish. Coming towards the third stanza, the poet says, we can't all be captains. We have got to be crew. There's something for all of us here. There's big work to do, and there's lesser to do. And the task you must do is the near. Here the poet says, if you can't be the captain, you should feel proud to be the crew, as everyone is important and there is a reason behind everyone's existence. There are works which are big as well as work which is less important. But it has to be done, and it is important how you perform your duty. In the last stanza, the poet says, if you can't be a highway, then just be a trail. If you can't be the sun, be a star. It isn't by size that you win or you fail. Be the best of whatever you are. In the concluding stanza, the poet explains that if you can't be a highway, try to be just a trail. Because size doesn't matter for a person to win or lose. What really matters is the quality of performance. Do not be afraid to be a star if you can't be a sun. The only thing you should always remember is that you have to be the best of whatever you are. So children, tell me, how was the poem? It's a very inspirational poem.